Happy Friday. Gas station and convenience store franchise operator Parkland is buying frozen food retailer M&M Food Market in a $322 million deal. Parkland anticipates that the move will diversify its product offering. Canadian home prices rose by over 17% in 2021, though listings hit an all-time low by the end of the year, according to December data from the Canadian Real Estate Association. The number of newly listed properties fell by 3% from November to December, and economists are expecting this to weigh further on housing affordability. Canadians' confidence in their personal financial situations hit an all-time low, according to data from NMP Consumer Debt Index. The report, which surveys Canadians' abilities to keep up with bills and pay down debt, plunged to 88 points, a record low since the index began tracking data in June 2017. Ontario Premier Doug Ford announced plans to reopen restaurants, theaters, and gyms at a 50% capacity by the end of the month. Places like sporting events or concert venues will also be permitted to open at a 50% capacity or 500 people, whichever is lower. Canada's CPI shot up to its fastest rate in about 30 years in December, seeing its annual inflation rate reach 4.8%. Stats like these are adding further pressures on the Bank of Canada to begin raising interest rates more aggressively. Microsoft plans to acquire game publisher Activision Blizzard in a $69 billion deal as it pushes forward into the mobile gaming market and the metaverse. Microsoft anticipates that gaming will play a key role in developing and expanding metaverse platforms, putting other big tech companies on notice. Scotiabank and National Bank are among the growing chorus of market voices anticipating an interest rate hike out of the Bank of Canada as early as next week. Analysts from both companies anticipate that the country's central bank will raise rates by 0.25%. Of course, this would mark the first upward move during the pandemic as the bank cut to its effective lower bound of 0.25% in 2020.